Alright, so here we have both phones, the iPhone XS Max on the left and the iPhone 7 on the right. So I'm going to be showing you how to install the unlock chip on both of the devices. First off, let's go into settings and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Then we're going to also make sure that we're updated to the latest iOS. So first off, we're going to go ahead and insert a SIM card that is from another carrier into the device. And as you can see, it will take you straight to the activation screen where you will have to select continue. And after a few seconds, it should give you a message that says SIM not supported. And that's because the phone is locked. So once you see that message, we're going to go ahead and pop the SIM card tray out of the phone. And we're going to go ahead and insert the unlock chip with the SIM card that you want to use. So for the iPhone XR and XS Max, you're going to have to place the SIM card a little bit outward, as you see here. It's going to have to stick in first, the unlock chip, and you're going to have to leave a spacing, as you see here, in between the unlock chip and the SIM card. Push the black chip in all the way, and then continue to push in the rest of the SIM card once you're ready. And after a few seconds, if you pushed it in correctly, it should read it. There we go. So here you will follow the prompts. It's going to give you this message here, and you will select Edit ICC ID. And here you will type in the correct ICC ID, which we always provide you with when you purchase the unlock chip. Once it's fully typed in, go ahead and hit send, and it's going to give you this message that the phone has been unlocked. So just go ahead and hit accept, and then make sure that you power your phone off and then back on so that the settings can take effect. Once the phone powers on completely, it should take you straight to the home screen and unlock your phone, or it might have you go through a couple different settings to take you to the home screen, but the phone will be unlocked now, so you'll be able to go straight away and continue using it with the SIM card that you placed in there with the unlock chip. It will pick up service, so you can make calls, text messages, use data, everything with your new carrier. And one more thing is just make sure that you don't do a factory reset on your iPhone, because you will have to perform this unlock process once again to re-unlock it. So that's pretty much it. Now you can go ahead and enjoy your unlocked iPhone.